Okay, Xanthi. Taste test. With the taste test for me, the lion's had them before. If it's true or rubbish. Oh, what the fuck is this?
I think they got a bit crumpled. I've been keeping these. I've kept them since we got back. Because I've been saving it.
First impressions, what the fuck? It's a pillow? It's giving me like, what is it? Cheez-It vibes, but like yummier. It's looking a little hollow inside, so it's looking like a scam.
Like a scampi.
I think it's gonna be the texture of like a cheesel. Cheers. And a bit like sweet, a bit sweet and sour. Okay, let's try. Oh my god.
You like?
That's so good. Fucking give me another one. Oh, what?
Wait, show where we are.
We snuck into a rugby game. I don't know, they said it was a rugby. They said it was the footy. I think it's Newtown versus Manly.
These are so yummy. Thank you, Xanthi.
Fucking hell. There was like guys at the entrance to the park selling tickets, and we were like, oh, we just want to like go for a walk and like sit down. And they were like, we'll remember what you look like. It's going to be embarrassing if we have to come drag you out of there. So what time is it? We got to go soon. Anyway, thanks for the delicious snack, bro. Doesn't sound good.
Stop it! I want to get down. Stop it! Why is it like... You're videoing. Oh, okay, well now I've moved it. Okay.